Hello everyone, today we'll discuss Htet PGT question paper of 2017. The very first question is, in the context of cooperative learning, STAD refers to STAD, STAD's full form. The right answer is option number 2, Students Team Achievement Division. Okay. Question number 2, during which of the following stage children develops object permanence? Choose your answer. And the right answer is option number 1, sensory motor stage. Question number 3, the feeling of the adolescent, everyone noticed that I wore this shirt twice a week, is an example of. Choose your right answer. And the right answer is option number 2, imaginary audience. Question number 4, which of the following is not true about negative reinforcement? Option number 3 is the right answer. It never increases desirable behavior. The good boy, good girl orientation indicates. Choose the right option. Then we'll answer. Option number 2 is the right answer. Conventional level morality. Good boy, good girl orientation indicates conventional level morality. Question number 6. Through conditioning, a neutral stimulus acquires the power of a reinforce is known as. And the right answer of the question number 6 is answer to secondary reinforcement. Secondary reinforcer. According to Piaget, at which age of morality of cooperation develops? Choose your right answer. Option number 2 is the right answer, 9 to 10 years to older. Next question. Two students A and B were tested a standardized IQ test. A has an IQ of 60 and B has an IQ of 30. Which of the following statement is not true about A and or B? And the right answer of this question is option number 3. A has a severe intellectual disability. Okay. From Bronfenbrenner's perspective, which of the following does not belong to the macro system of the child? And the right answer is school. Option number 2. School doesn't belong to the macro system of the child. You greet your parents every morning and your kid learned the same by watching it. It is an example of observational learning. Okay. The experience based on previous experience with, with a lack of control that all one's effort will lead to failure is known as learned helplessness. The concept of life space was given by. Very easy question, guys. Option number 3, Levin, is the right answer. The application of an aversive stimulus is punishment. A student works hard to get first rank in his her class. The type of motivation behind his her hard work is. And the right answer is option number 2, extrinsic motivation. The phrase at which a child can master a task if given appropriate help and support is known as zone of proximal development. The two-factor theory of intelligence was given by. Option number 2 is the right answer, Spearman. The statement, first do what I want you to do, then you may do what you want to do, best describes options. Option 1 is the right answer, Premack principle. Okay. The term used to describe Reading disability is dyslexia. Very, very easy question. Okay. The rules for when and how to use language to be an effective communicator in a particular culture is known as pragmatics. Okay. Cognition about one's own cognitive process can be termed as metacognition. Reinforcing each small step of progress toward a desired goal until it is learned completely is known as shaping. Next question. The first stage of development of gender consistency is gender labeling. Application of abstract knowledge learned in one situation to a different situation can be termed as high road transfer. Next question. You have introduced weekly quiz in your class to assess students' progress. You are using which schedule of reinforcement? That is fixed interval. PECS is a method of teaching which may be used for both A and B is the right answer, means children with autism spectrum disorders, children with communication impairment. Building schemes through direct interaction with environment is known as adaptation. Which of the following is not a component of reciprocal teaching? None of the above, because questioning, clarifying and predicting are reciprocal teaching, component of reciprocal teaching. So the right answer is none of the above for the option. The ability of serialization is the characteristic of the concrete operational stage. Question number 29. The first person who used the term labeling disabilities was Samuel Crick. The view children speak to themselves for self guidance was given by Vygotsky.